Hello students, this is Teacher Kings. Welcome to our lesson for today. Today we are going to learn about instructions in the classroom. That is, classroom instructions. Classroom instructions. I wish to remind you that this lesson is actually designed for young learners who are studying English as a foreign language. In fact, young beginners at English as a second language. Okay, so to begin, we are going to start with classroom instructions. Okay, classroom instructions. So each student, you are supposed to listen and you repeat. Okay, repeat means you say as the teacher says. Okay, repeat after me. Okay, on our first instruction here is easy. Stand up. Stand up. Okay? Stand up. Repeat after me. Stand up. Good. Number 2. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down means you can sit on a chair or sit on a stool or sit. Okay? Just sit. Good. So, sit down. Sit down. Good. Stand up. Stand up. Sit down. Stand up. Okay? Good. Now, number 3. Fold your arms. Repeat after me. Fold your arms. Fold your arms. Fold your arms. Okay? Fold your arms. Good. So, we take it one more time. Step 1, 2, and 3. Stand up, sit down, fold your arms. Stand up, sit down, fold your arms. Fold your arms. Good. Next, hands up. Hands up. Hands up. Good. Hands down. Hands down. Hands up. Hands down. Good. Next item, clap your hands. Clap your hands. Okay? Clap your hands. Clap your hands. Good. Next, stomp your feet. Stomp your feet. Stomp your feet. Clap your hands. Stomp your feet. Good. Okay. Next, turn around. Turn around. Turn around. Okay? Turn around. Good. Next, listen. 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 Good. And the last one is stop noise. Stop noise. Or silence. Stop noise. Silence. So stop noise and silence are the same. Okay? They have the same meaning. Stop noise. Shh. Silence. Shh. Do you understand? Okay. One more time. Classroom instructions. Okay. Once you are in class, the teacher gives instructions to students. So now I want you to repeat after me. Okay? 1. Stand up. Sit down. Fold your arms. Hands up. Hands down. Clap your hands. Stomp your feet. Turn around. Listen. Stop noise or silence. Okay, so students, we have 2 tasks here. Task 1 and task 2. Task 1. Say and do the action. Say and do the action. That is task 1. Okay? So, you say and you do. So, number 1, stand up. Everybody, stand up. Good. Sit down. Good. Sit down. Good. So, you say and you do. Okay. Number 3, fold your arms. Fold your arms. Again, fold your arms. Fold your arms. Okay? Good. Next item. Hands up. Hands up. Hands down. Hands up. Hands down, down. Good. Okay. Next, clap your hands. Clap your hands. Clap your hands. Good. Okay. Next, stomp your feet. Stomp your feet. Stomp your feet. Stomp your feet. Good. Next, turn around. Turn around. Turn around. Do you understand? Turn around. Good. Anyway, next item. Listen. 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 Okay? Listen. Good. Next, stop noise. Stop noise. Or silence. Silence. Do you understand? Okay. Good. So that is our task 1. Task 2. Students, you will look at the teacher. Anything I do, you will say it. Do you understand? Anything I do, the students, you will say it. If I do any action, you tell me the action. Do you understand? Okay. Now, what did you say? Again? Stand up. Good. Next. What did you say? Sit down. Sit down. Good. Okay. Next. Fold your arms. Fold your arms. Good. Next. Clap your hands. Clap your hands. Good. Next. Stomp your feet. Stomp your feet. Good. Next. Turn around. Turn around. Good. Next. Listen. Listen. Good. Next. Shh. Shh. Stop noise. Stop noise. Or silence. Silence. Do you understand? Good. Okay. Now, let's do one last exercise before we end this lesson. You have fast and slow. Fast, 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 fast. Slow, slow. Fast, slow, slow. Do you understand? Okay, now, students, clap your hands. Clap your hands fast. Clap your hands slowly. Faster. Slowly. Good. Do you understand? Okay. So students, you can try these actions at home. practice it at home. Your parents or your brother can read the actions for you, and then you perform the action. Do you understand? Okay. Teacher King, bye-bye. Run fast.